Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now, I'm really excited today about text video. It's a brand new software that's coming out. It's the newest version of it. And the reason I'm excited about it is that these ads work really, really well. I know this because very soon, in a few days, about 10 days, we're launching a brand new software which is called Ad Scouter. It's a software that finds profitable ads. And I've been going through and walking through a ton of different ads that are working right now on Facebook. And one of the types of ads that's working really, really well right now for businesses and for advertisers are these text style ads. So the best way I can show this is by bringing up a big advertiser over Facebook and showing you how they're using these ads, and then showing you how you can now create these ads within text video. So using Ad Scouter, I was able to locate STM Forum. Now, STM Forum is like a make money forum. It basically is a place where a lot of people who are doing advertising for big companies meet, discuss ideas, and they network. They also run events and so on. They do a lot of advertising, and the reason is that they're very good at it. And if you go down here and just searching through their ads, you'll see one of the more popular types of ads that they're actually running are these text style ads right here. Now I can actually view this. I'll go and dig deeper and view this exact ad, and then I'll be able to show you what it looks like. So on Facebook right now, it's running. So it's been running since October 5th. And you can see here, you can actually read with this software, what they're actually advertising. And if we view this ad, you can see here how they're using this ad. So they're actually doing a custom message, and then they're responding as the, a person who's responding. It looks very natural and it's very engaging. I knew that they were doing this ad because I was one of the ones that they were advertising to, and it caught my attention and made me read this message because it is very cool. So you can create these styles of ads and then use them on Facebook to have the same effect. And you'll see here that Ad Scouter, our software here, actually gives us an indication of how much money this ad's making. And according to our profit score, so it's just basically it's like an assessment that it assesses how profitable a particular ad is. It says that this is in the highly profitable category. So it means that this particular ad using this text style here is converting very well for them, and they're making good money out of this particular ad. So with that said, let's go over to text video and have a look at how this works. So this software is an updated version of this software. It's a very cool software that is actually really, really easy to use. It's kind of like using a phone. And I believe you can use this on a phone. You can actually create these ads on a phone, these videos, and then you'll be able to use them around the web as you want. So you get a couple of choices first off. So you can either look at your saved chats from the past. I'm going to delete this. And you can have a look at pre-made. You can have a look at a bunch of pre-made templates that they have in here. So to show you this example, let's just use, for example, a local business ad that someone might want to use and advertise over Facebook. Health and nutrition is a good one. So Edward, you can obviously change who Edward is, his name, his face, add a recipient as well, who he's actually talking with, another group member. You can actually add to this chat as well if you want to. And Edward's having a conversation with his friend, and you're actually able to edit his friend's name as well. And he's basically messaging this. So it's saying, hey, I got a voicemail. You were struggling with losing weight. There are so many diets out there. I don't know which one is best for me. I'm not seeing the results, I hope, because each diet seems so complicated. And it goes on, and it's basically a quick conversation that goes through and leads to a particular website. If I wanted to, I can actually type and continue to type as Edward. I could delete this message, for example, and I could say, by the way, did you check out the TV last night? And then it says that message from Edward, and then it could come from me. I said, no, I didn't. What happened? And then we can continue to go on using this particular message system. I can also attach images if I wanted to as well. I can attach GIFs and stickers to make this more interactive. And the more of those things you can add in, the better it is. If you can add some interesting, funny GIFs, or even just add some little emoji characters, that makes it more engaging, and it'll make the chat more interesting as well for people watching it over Facebook. Now, once you've actually finished your video, you can then go back and it will have that message saved within your messages. And then you can do what's called publish the video by pushing this video icon here. And what this is now going to do is it's going to create the video. You can then watch this video. So it has this whole process here. So you can see here, hey, I got this voicemail message. Are you struggling with losing weight? Bang. And it will then load that video as it is doing right here. We can then go back home, and if we want to, we can then download this video. We could actually download this video. We could use this within our campaigns, or if we wanted to, we could go ahead and we could export it. Okay, so in order to then, once we've done this, render the video or basically publish it, the thing to do is we can actually use this menu bar down here to add a new message, but we're not going to do that this time. We go back into our chat, we go into here, we click, we could add a video background if we wanted to add a video background, which is cool. So you could add a social background if you wanted to adjust it to be sort of similar to the look and feel that we had in this ad over here. But what we're going to do is we're going to go preview chat. And while this is previewing, the engine is actually rendering. So it's actually rendering the video while this preview is playing. And at the end of the preview, you'll then have the ability to go ahead and download this video and then go ahead and use it. So right now, as we're watching the preview, it's actually rendering. Now, while it's doing this preview, what I want to talk a little bit about is I want to talk a little bit about some of the bonuses that we have down below. So you'll see down below that I want to assist you in basically creating some good scripts that are going to sell, and also giving you the ability to have a funnel to sell these types of videos to businesses as well. And I would encourage you not only to use this as the only service that you sell, but also offer other ad services, other video packages that you might already have. Down below, you're going to be able to get access to all of those bonuses. So you'll be able to get access to a funnel that I use to attract clients to me. You're also going to get access to another special bonus to do with video. And then the third bonus is basically a 10 script package. So I've written up 10 scripts, and these scripts are more for online businesses, not so much for local businesses, because in the front end of the software they already have a lot of templates built in there for you. So what I decided to do is do something slightly different, and I decided to write some templates myself that you'll be able to use for your own online business if you're doing any advertising. This is for courses, software, and other related type offers and niches. So if you would like to get access to that, you'll be able to get access to that early. Make sure you get access early, and you'll be able to get access to all of those bonuses. So once this preview ends, then we'll be able to download it, and I'm going to pause the film just now, and then I'm going to show you how that works. Now, as you can see, it's finished. So it's finished going through and creating that video. So now we click on this button here, and we can now download our video, and we'll now be able to use this video, and we'll be able to use it within our marketing efforts. So it's rendered here. It looks like this. It'll be perfect to advertise over mobile devices, perfect over web devices as well. And that's how you're able to generate these customized text style videos. And as I was saying, you can customize the design, you can customize the background, you can customize the text, anything you want about this, you'll be able to customize, and you'll be able to create an unlimited amount of these messages for you, your clients, and to help you to advertise in your business.